3 variations you guys can learn in 5 minutes or less. But you gotta focus. Now the prerequisite I would recommend is the running man, because we're gonna be working off of that. So if you don't know how to learn that, check out my basic beginners running man tutorial. We go through the whole thing. You'll learn step by step. I break it down and you'll be doing it by the end of the video. Just follow along. Now, if you're already there, then this probably looks familiar to you. Basic recap, 4 beats per measure. That's how we're counting this out, right? Works with most songs. Most songs you shuffle to. So boom, 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 boom. Now in between those, there's an and. So 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and. So that's like you're breaking it up into 8 pieces basically. So on the and, we're always coming to the middle, and on the 1, 2, 3, and 4, we're out in the front and in the back. And you keep switching like that. That's like the simple running man. You guys should have learned that from the last video. Now in my opinion, the first variation that's probably the easiest to learn is, I don't really know what it's called, but basically I guess just kicks. So in, out, like that. So instead of going all the way through to the running man, so if I go like this, instead of going forward like this, I will be going back. So up, back, up, back, up, back. Okay? Boom. So the other leg, so up, back, back. Now how does that look when you do like the running man and then do it? It looks a little cooler than what I just did. So up. You see how you can just, you can do it as many times as you want. You can sit here all day, or you can keep cycling. So we bring the back foot into the middle. Instead of bringing it to the front, we just put it back again. So middle. Easy. Easily. Switch legs, so we do cycle 1, and back, back, cycle, back, cycle, back. Good job. That's variation 1, very easy. Hope you guys got it. Variation number 2, a little bit more difficult, but pretty easy. Variation 2, we're basically gonna be doing the backwards running man, which actually looks a lot different in my opinion, and adds a lot of spice to your set. So in the basic running man, the leg that's in the back is the leg that comes to the center and bends up, and the leg that's in the front stays straight and comes to the center. They both come to the center, but the leg in the back is the one that bends up. Now in the reverse, the one in the front is the one that's gonna bend up now, and the one in the back is gonna stay straight. So it looks like that. So you just keep doing that. You go. Might take a second to get used to, because if you're really used to going forward in the normal running man, it's the opposite of that. Even if that isn't technically 100% accurate, look decent. Bonus, third variation, turning to your move. Not a spin, but turning, okay? Now you're like, yeah, it's lame. But I'm serious, just simple turning will actually make it look a lot cooler and make it look like you're doing a lot more than you're just doing. So if I'm just standing there like this, it gets kind of old. What I want you to work on doing is shifting your upper body momentum and then you turn, okay? So you can do this with anything we just learned. Little secret I learned at turning is all you want to do is kind of just shift your upper body momentum, and wherever you look with your upper body, you'll kind of just naturally turn that way without even thinking about it. So that's all I'm doing. So I'm in a straight line, and then I'm turning my upper body. I'm just not thinking about it. I got the basic running man, and then the moonwalk. Out of here, okay. Thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial. I hope this helps you all out. I have more moves, more shuffle steps if you guys want to learn some slightly more advanced ones. Let me know. Thank you guys so much for the positive feedback. Don't forget to subscribe. More videos coming out. Peace. You all have a good one. I'll see you in the next video.